Hello, my name is Susan, and I'm a 62-year-old woman that retired, and I sold my house, and I'm traveling the world on my bicycle. I hope you will join me for my adventure. Thank you. Good morning. Well, I was going to try to get an early start this morning, but I rode about a mile and a half, and now I'm in this fog. And there are all these work trucks, dump trucks flying down the road, and so it didn't feel safe, so I just pulled off to the side of the road here and gonna wait until the fog lifts. It's a messy morning. I've been trying to get my shoes cleaned off in these puddles, at least enough to where I can clip in and out reasonably well. But this mud is so sticky. And I got to figure out somewhere to wash my bike before I get into town, or before I get to my hotel, because I don't think they're going to want me showing up with all that mud. And like the down tube is just covered. I don't know if you can see that or not, but anyway, yeah, so I'm just hanging out here waiting, and once the fog lifts, then I will continue on. So much for my early start. But I'm feeling good. It's supposed to be a beautiful day once the fog lifts. But I'll just have to wait. And hopefully I'm not on this muddy dirt road too much longer. I'm really ready for some pavement. So although I guess muddy, dirty means not as much traffic, but it means dump trucks and big trucks. So anyway, here I am waiting out the fog. I'll check in later. Yeah, this one doesn't look good. I'm not brave enough. So there's almost no traffic on this road, which is wonderful, but my goodness, Istanbul has had a lot of rain the last week, including last night and the night before, or all of the day before, so 2 days ago. And yeah, the mud on these roads, oh my goodness, I don't know if you can see my tire there, but it's like makes it hard to even push through. I think this route would have been great if it had been dry. All right, I'm gonna turn you off. Yay, bike path. I'm here at the tip of the European part of Istanbul, and if you look across the way there, that's Istanbul in Asia. So this is the last part of Europe. So I've ridden from the most northern part of Scotland all the way to the most southern part of Europe and Turkey. So I'm going to go catch the ferry and take the ferry across, and probably have about 3 more miles to ride to get to my hotel room for the night. So yeah, my riding for this year is almost done. Just got to get to my hotel. here's a little summary of my ride this year. I rode 4,631 miles, which is 7,453 kilometers. And I the trip was 130 days long, which was 90 riding days and 40 rest days. And so I really appreciate you going along with me this year on YouTube. I know some of you miss my Facebook posts, but I'm really enjoying doing the videos. So I'm home now for the holidays and making plans and getting airline tickets, etc., to be in Asia next year. I will not start in Istanbul because of the issues of crossing various borders very near there, but I will be starting in Southeast Asia and will continue my ride around the world. And so I hope you will join me then. I should be posting again in early February. If you're enjoying my videos, please click like and also subscribe so that you do not miss out on any future content. Thank you.